Hey everyone, it's Jared with HeatPress Nation, and I'll be showing you how you can make these Unisub bookmarks into a fully custom item with sublimation. So stick around as we'll customize this. If you enjoy this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to keep up with the latest tutorials and live episodes from HeatPress Nation, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Now let's get started. Whenever you're finished reading a book for the day, you can now leave your marks in style by customizing Unisub's Sublimation bookmarks. As a thin aluminum item with a single side of white gloss for sublimation, it's possible to apply vibrant text and imagery that will allow it to stand out well from your books. And with its small clip, you can rest assured that it won't slide away and will stay at your last page. Whether you'd like to customize them with photography or graphics, Unisub's Sublimation bookmarks can make great gifts for friends and family, as well as the perfect promotional items for schools and book clubs. Due to their unique shape, we recommend designing your bookmarks using the appropriate templates. By downloading the Unisub bookmark template at heatpressnation.com, you can import it into your preferred graphic design software and take advantage of its layers. These templates usually consist of a bleed, imprint, safety, and sometimes a no-print layer. By using the bleed layer as a clipping mask, alongside setting the additional layers to 50%, you'll be able to import or create your design within the clipping mask and adjust its elements accordingly. The bleed layer itself should also help make aligning the printed transfer much easier. As a quick note, since these bookmarks are small, you should be able to place multiple designs in one document. For instance, you can fit about 6 designs in a single 8.5 by 11 inch document as long as your designs are kept within the template. But once you've finished your bookmark design, you may print it through your Sublimation printer. If you own a Sawgrass printer, send it to Sawgrass Print Manager and use these settings. Substrate set to metal, paper set to your paper's profile, leave the mirror option checked, and set the color mode in the color tab to photographic or vivid depending on your design's level of detail. With all of these set, go ahead and click Print on SPM. With the transfer printed, you can trim it, then place the bookmark with the white side facing down on the printed image. To keep it in place, attach the bookmark to the transfer with heat tape. Turn on your heat press and set it to 45 seconds at 385 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. To press multiple bookmarks at once, you'll need to add about 5 seconds for each additional item. Once your machine reaches temperature, cover the lower platen with a sheet of parchment paper, then place the bookmark on top with the paper side facing down. Cover it with another sheet of parchment paper and press. When the timer hits 0, open your machine and allow the bookmark to cool down for just a moment. As soon as it's cooled, quickly peel away the transfer from the item and you now have a fully custom Unisub bookmark. To learn more about Unisub bookmarks and other sublimation blanks, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. If you have any questions, you can always get in touch with a My Expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with HeatPress Nation, and thanks for watching.